Hello everyone, it's great to have you all tuned in. 9 years ago, when I moved to the United States, I did not understand the fascination for these paper towels until I became hooked onto it. So much so that my everyday life depended on it. They were extremely convenient to use, and the fact that I could overuse them without having to ever clean them was a big win-win. As easy as this sounds, this throw culture slowly started getting to me. So, over the last few years, I've consciously reduced the consumption of these paper towels by going old school, which means using cotton fabric as a replacement. I used to use them for the longest time without having to put them on the actual paper towel holder, but a few months ago, I rolled it up and made them look like a paper towel. In today's video, I will show you how to make these fabric paper towels that requires no sewing and is great for our environment. So, to learn how to make these unpaper towels, jump on in and let's get rolling. To make this, you will need an awl or some kind of pointy device to make a hole in the fabric, a snap plier and the actual snaps. You will need 2 sockets, 2 studs and 4 caps for each towel. Finally, the piece of cotton cloth or towel that you're going to use. To begin with, lay out the cloth. I have the tag facing up because when I roll it, I want that to be on the inside and not pop out. With the help of an awl, now poke holes at the bottom right corner, approximately half an inch from the bottom and half an inch from the side. Repeat this at the top right corner as well. Now, take a pair of caps and poke them right through the holes you just made. Then you need a pair of sockets. Sockets and studs look the same, but they're actually not. Sockets have a dip in them like you see, whereas the studs protrude out a little. Now, take a socket and insert it to the cap by flipping the piece of cloth at the bottom right corner. It's now time to snap them together with the help of the plier. You now repeat the same at the top right corner as well. Now onto the left side of the cloth. First poke holes with the help of phenol at the top left and bottom corners as you did on the right side. Now insert the caps by flipping the cloth first and then put the studs onto it. It's now time to snap these together with the help of the pliers again. We now have one piece of the towel ready. The same thing needs to be done on every piece of towel that you're wanting to use. You can use anywhere from 10 to 20. I have about 2 dozens, so when one set goes to wash, I already have another set ready to be used. Once it's all done, lay them one by one on the same side like I have. I have done this because I have tags on every towel, so it just makes it easier for me to, have it all on the same side. It's now time to snap them all together. Move the top one away and snap the socket of one of the towels onto the studs of the other. In this case, the sockets are on the right and the studs are on the left. So when you move them away, the sockets will be on top and the studs will be on the bottom. And you just snap all of them until you're done with all the towels. Now, take the insert of an actual paper towel roll, because I didn't have any, I had to use toilet paper rolls, and then just roll them all up together. That's it. This easy DIY unpaper towel is ready to be used. Did you know discarded paper towels create 254 million tons of trash each year globally? That's a huge number. So using fabric towels will definitely reduce all those single-use paper towel consumption. By cutting back on paper towel use, we can definitely save money, reduce landfill waste, and save our trays. Paper towel is definitely convenient to use at times, but reusable fabric towels do the exact same job and are more cost-effective as well. You can use them just like that or roll it up to give you the feel of a paper towel. I hope this video inspired you to think twice before you unwrap your next paper towel. Thank you all so much for stopping by. As always, hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe so that you're notified every time I have a new upload. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed, and do not forget to unpaper your towels. Bye-bye.